Today, we're diving into the world of photography lighting with Profoto's new D30 Monolight. This 500 watt studio light allows photographers to freeze motion and in true Profoto fashion, give you the precision necessary for flash durations, ideal for portrait, fashion, and product photography. While photographers have been pleased with the Profoto D3, they will be just as happy with its little sister, the D30, which offers a more compact design suitable for the smaller or medium-sized studio, much like ours here. The D30 offers robust power at 500 watts, which allows for many versatile lighting setups. You get 11 stops of power here, and the range breaks down into 0.1 f-stop increments. The D30 utilizes 3 modes, Eco, Boost, and Freeze, which can be adjusted based on the shoot situation. The flash normally runs on Eco, which prioritizes color fidelity while maximizing its lifetime. Boost mode allows for the strobe to utilize an increased power output for those moments you need a bit more light. In freeze mode, the light's flash duration is as short as 1/21,100th of a second, perfect for freezing motion during high-speed photography. And the recycling time's as fast as 0.01 second. You'll be sure to capture your image with no misfires. Important to note, the trade-off here is the mode does not prioritize color temperatures, which are expected to be adjusted in post. Making adjustments and accessing your features is simple and easy with the onboard controls on the back of the strobe. The button with the sundial activates your modeling lamp and can control your brightness and temperature. The middle dial is to toggle through your menus, features, and controls, and the white button to test your flash strobe. The light is also compatible with Profoto's wireless Air X system, which allows for remote control and triggering of the strobes from the camera trigger. There's a 3.5mm sync port for wired configurations and a USB-C port for firmware updates. The Profoto camera and Profoto control smartphone apps can connect to the Profoto D30 via Bluetooth for yet another control option. The wide power range, not to mention compatibility with numerous light modifiers, means you can achieve all sorts of creative effects. It's compatible with all Profoto light shaping tools, so you can light your subject with evenly diffused light or go for something hard and dramatic. With portable size, the D30 is easy to bring on locations for shoots where you need powerful, consistent lighting, though keep in mind it is AC powered, so you'll need a suitable power supply, whether that be portable or grounded. With its quick recycling time and power, it is a great choice for capturing fleeting moments. Whether you're shooting for clients, publications, or your portfolio, the D30 helps you deliver professional quality images that stand out. Overall, the Profoto D30 Monolight is a workhorse in the world of lighting. If you're serious about your craft and want to elevate your work, you can't go wrong with the D30. I'm Joe with B&H, and you keep capturing those moments.